5 buckets of water. It off again. So I'm going to open it now to put in my clothes manually. So I'll go straight to wash, and then a little amount of clothes. If you notice that when you press wash and start, nothing happens. If you go ahead and press rinse, it's going to drain out your Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kompo. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to use a top loader Hisense bubble clean 8 kg washing machine. Is a top loader, and the particular specification is the WTJA802T type of washing machine. So today's video is going to be about how to use this washing machine manually. Yes, manually. So I'm not going to be using running water. I'm going to be using buckets of water. So let's get right into the video. So I already have 2 buckets of water here. I'm going to be pouring the remaining 3 buckets of water into it to make it 5. So guys, always remember to open your lint filter and empty it, clean it up after each wash cycle. Five buckets of water. So the next thing, I'm going to pour my detergent. Remember guys, this detergent is not your hand wash detergent. This detergent is the type of detergent for automatic washing machines. So I'm going to go ahead, press the power button. I'll close the top, and all I'm just doing, I just want to stir the detergent. So I'm going to stop it right now. I'm just going to stop it because it has done what I want it to do, and I'll put it off again. So I'm going to open it now to put in my clothes. So now I'm going to put in my clothes. So I'm washing like a big bedspread. I'm washing a very big bedspread, this particular one. That's why I need to put a lot of water. So depending on the quantity of clothes that you have to wash, that will determine the volume of water that you get to use. So my clothes are in. You notice I'm not pressing it or pushing it, just few clothes, but this particular one is kind of bulky. So we'll cover it, and then we'll go back to the power button. Remember guys, I'm washing my clothes manually, so I'll go straight to wash, and then I'll press the start button. So my washing process has started. Notice I didn't select any program because I'm using it manually, so I'm selecting my wash manually. So we'll be right back when the washing has ended. So we are down to 8 minutes of wash time left. So there's something I want to show you now. Sometimes when you want to use this method, you'll notice that if you pour in water, maybe you want to wash a little amount of clothes. If you notice that when you press wash and start, nothing happens, you can then go ahead to reduce your water level. So probably the water level selected is higher than the amount of water you have. So whenever you notice that you press wash and start, nothing happens, you can just go over here to the water level and reduce it. Maybe bring it to 3. You understand? Bring it to 3 or maybe to 2. Then go back and press start. Then it will definitely start. Take note of that, guys. So we're back. Before I came, the wash process has already ended. So once it ends, it just goes off. So now what we're going to do is that I'm going to activate the rinse. So I'll put it on back and I'll press rinse and then press start. What it's going to do is that it's going to drain the water. So the water is draining. You can hear from the sound. The water is draining. So once it drains out all the wash water, it's going to spin for a while. Notice the water, you can't see the water again, right? So most of it has gone. So once it completely empties it, it's going to spin for a while. So let's wait and see that. It has started spinning. So I just need it to spin for 1 to 2 minutes and I'll stop it. So I usually stop it at 19. I'm going to stop it here. I'm going to stop it at 19 because this is the point when if you actually have running water, your tap will start pouring water into it. But we don't have running water, so I'm going to put it off. And open my tub. And I'm going to pour 4 to 5 buckets of water here again. So I've got in here 5 buckets of water and let's continue. So I'm going to put it on again. And this time I'm going to select wash. I know you're surprised, but yes, that's what I'll select. And then I'm just going to wash it for 2 minutes. So I just want it to swish it, or I want it to rinse it in the clean water, right? So I'm going to start and I'll just allow it to wash for 2 minutes. So all it's doing is basically rinsing it for me in the clean water, because if you go ahead and press rinse, it's going to drain out your precious 5 buckets of water and you don't want that. So go back to wash, allow it to rinse it in the water for 2 minutes or so. So I think this is enough, so I'm going to stop it. I'm going to stop it, end the wash process, because I'm actually not washing. I just want to rinse. I just want to mix the clothes in the clean water. Then I'll go ahead, yes, I'll put it on again and then rinse. What's my rinse doing for me this time? My rinse is going to drain the water and spin for some minutes for me. Then that will be the end of the washing process. And it's draining out the water for me. You notice that most of the water has gone. You understand? It has drained most of the water. So wait for it to empty it and spin for a minute or so, then we'll end it and we are done. So it has started spinning. So just allow it to spin for 2 minutes and we'll end the process. So at this point I'm going to end this, because if I had running water it should have been pouring by now. So we'll just end it and put it off. And I'm done washing my clothes. So if you check the clothes are every single bit of water has been wringed out of them, properly washed. So all I need to do is to go and spread them. See, clothes are washed. So that is how to use your top loader washing machine manually. I'll see you guys in my next video. Kindly drop your comments and make sure to like this video if you're still watching to this point in time. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.